In this video we will learn how to find f of x from its derivative. But first let's look back a little. What do we get if we differentiate these three functions? 3x squared, 3x squared plus 2 and 3x squared minus 4. In each case the answer is 6x. So if we reverse the process and integrate 6x, how do we know which of our three functions is our answer? This is when we will be given an extra piece of information, and this is called our boundary condition, and this is to help us determine the constant term c. This type of question might be written in a couple of different ways. The first way, if dy over dx equals x squared plus 1 and y equals 5 when x equals 3, find an expression for y in terms of x. The boundary condition is when x equals 3, y equals 5. The second way it might be written is if f dash of x equals x squared plus 1 and f3 equals 5, find f of x. Again, we're given the same boundary conditions. We're told that f3 equals 5, which is another way of writing when x equals 3, y equals 5. So now let's solve the question. So we need to integrate x squared plus 1 dx, which is equal to x cubed over 3 plus x plus c. And we're told when x equals 3, y equals 5. That's our boundary condition. So therefore, we get 3 cubed over 3 plus 3 plus c is equal to 5. Therefore, we get 27 over 3 plus 3 plus c equals 5. Therefore, 9 plus 3 plus c equals 5. Therefore, 12 plus c equals 5. Therefore, c is equal to minus 7. In order to not lose the last mark in an exam question, make sure you write down the final expression. So therefore, y is equal to x cubed over 3 plus x minus 7. Now let's do a couple of exam questions. Question 1. The derivative of the function f is given by f dash of x is equal to 9 over 2x squared plus 7x minus 2. And the curve y equals f of x passes through the point minus 3 minus 11 over 2. Find an expression for f. So first thing we need to do is integrate 9 over 2x squared plus 7x minus 2 dx, which is equal to 3 over 2 x cubed plus 7 over 2 x squared minus 2x plus c. Now we're given the boundary condition that when x is minus 3, y is minus 11 over 2. So we can put that into our function now. And we get minus 11 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2 times minus 3 cubed plus 7 over 2 minus 3 squared minus 2 times minus 3 plus c. Therefore, minus 11 over 2 is equal to minus 81 over 2 plus 63 over 2 plus 6 plus c. If we rearrange for c, we get c is equal to minus 5 over 2. Therefore, f of x is equal to 3 over 2 x cubed plus 7 over 2 x squared minus 2x minus 5 over 2. Question 2. The derivative of the function f is given by f dash of x is equal to minus 3 over x squared plus a half x squared minus 2 over 3x plus 2 for x is greater than 0. And the curve y equals f of x passes through the point 65 over 2. Find an expression for f. The first thing we need to do is integrate f dash of x. So we need to integrate minus 3 x to the minus 2. I brought that x squared to the top, plus a half x squared minus 2 over 3 x plus 2 dx, which is equal to 3x to the minus 1 plus 1/6 x cubed minus 1/3 x squared plus 2x plus c. Our boundary condition is that f6 is equal to 65 over 2. So we can now put those in. So we get 65 over 2 is equal to 3/6 to the power of minus 1 plus 1/6 6 cubed minus 1/3 6 squared plus 2 times 6 plus c. Well, that 6 cancels with that to make it squared. So we get 65 over 2 is equal to 3 over 6 plus 36 minus 12 plus 12 plus c. Therefore, we get 65 over 2 is equal to 73 over 2 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus 4. Don't forget to write the final function. Therefore, f of x is equal to 3 over x plus 1/6 x cubed minus 1/3 x squared plus 2x minus 4.